Hey guys, Wix100 here, and I have another resource video for you. So, this programming resource is Microsoft Docs. It is at docs.microsoft.com. That's docs.microsoft.com. Link down in the description. And what Microsoft Docs is useful for is it has all kinds of pages that help you with different Microsoft programs and products. Like there's one for C#, .NET, Visual Studio, Microsoft 365, Microsoft Office, Office 365, OneDrive, PowerShell, SQL, gaming, all kinds of things. And so whenever you have an issue with your programming or a lot of other Microsoft things, if you have an issue, one of the great places to check is Microsoft Docs, because you can click on a specific topic that you want, or a specific category that you want to get different things. There are tutorials available. It has all kinds of resources for you to use. So if you have programming help, you can always check Microsoft Docs, or just Google your problem. There's also many websites that Google finds that helps too. So, hope you enjoyed. Till next time. Bye!